We'll get into the weekend in just a minute, but let me show you the forecast for the remainder of the day today. Just keep the umbrella handy. It's not going to rain all day, but there will be some showers at times. The wind today will also be rather gusty at times too, especially as we get after lunchtime. We could see winds gusting up to 30, maybe even 35 miles an hour as the actual cold front comes through. Temperatures are starting off in the mid 60s in a lot of areas. I think we'll drop a little bit, especially by the mid to late afternoon hours, with many of us ending up in the upper 50s once the actual front comes through. The front's expected to start to move into West Alabama around lunchtime, likely moving through the metro area, or at least the I-65 corridor between 2 and 3. And so you'll notice winds may gust 30, 35 miles an hour, perhaps even a little bit higher than that in some spots. We don't expect it to get as bad as yesterday, but still with a pretty wet ground in some locations, it may cause some sporadic power outages. And then it's still going to be a little bit gusty heading into tonight too. We're in the 60s, as I mentioned, area wide, and we do have some rain on the map already. Some showers here back into West Alabama. We're now starting to see some showers moving through much of Jefferson County. We've got a decent little band there now west of I-65, though, impacting Hoover, Homewood, up toward Ensley, and then you can see just west of I-65, some of this rain is going to be headed over toward Warrior, Fultondale, Gardendale. You'll likely get a few brief heavy downpours with some of that rain. The front's still back to our west, and so we'll still have some showers around, again, heading into the later morning and even during the afternoon too. Watch on the Futurecast. Really just some widely scattered showers at times. There may be a rumble of thunder or two, as well as the actual front scoots in here later on today. And then even tonight, I can't rule out a little bit of wraparound moisture. I think those showers would be pretty few and far between, but I think once we get after midnight, most of us are going to be rain free. So 66 today. That's likely going to happen this morning. Once the front comes through this afternoon, we won't drop significantly, but we will see numbers drop off a little bit. And so some of us may wind up in the 50s later today, rebounding into the 70s on Friday, near 80 on Saturday after a chilly morning. And then we're in the low and mid 80s, so really warming up early next week. Sarah?
All right, Steph, we are keeping a close eye on